This is the Dalmatian reusable bag. It's really soft and I'm just going to use it to take out with me. And it's quite small, it's like probably like 30 centimeters, but it's really sturdy and comfortable. And yeah, it's a lot better than using plastic all the time because it doesn't really hold any of your stuff. So yeah. This is a clear makeup bag in silver. Sometimes I can't see what makeup I have and I'm always digging around in my makeup bag, so I thought I'd get a clear one so I can actually see what I have. And I got silver because I prefer silver. I think this is like £1.50 or something. I'll have it linked in the description, but yeah, it's just like medium sized. It looks like it's gonna fit quite a lot in. So yeah, this is a face cloth. It's leopard print and it's really soft. I just think it's a lot nicer than using like a rough towel on your skin. So yeah, and it's in the grey colour. They do a different colour, but I just like the grey version. I kind of like everything to match, so yeah. This was only like, I think like £1.50 or something. So yeah. This is a little Dalmatian like drawstring bag. I'm gonna use it as a camera bag, because I don't have one currently, and yeah, it just zip ties tighter, so it's quite secure, and the fur is dead soft, and of course it's not real fur. And this was like £2.50. It's gonna come in really handy. I was just kind of buying things that I needed to make my life a bit easier. So yeah, I know some people don't really like Shein, but I find it difficult to find places that are cheap enough to afford. I don't make that much money, so yeah, I only kind of buy what I actually use. I don't really buy that often, so yeah. This is really cute though, and it is really well made. These are some bows that I also bought. They're like lace and they're very elegant. I'm gonna try these on so you can see what they look like, but yeah, they're just in a cream colour and they were probably like £1. You get 2 in a pack. Very pretty. I bought a contacts case. I don't currently wear contacts, but I'm gonna get, I think it's called fitted for them. I'm gonna get measured for them. So yeah, I bought one for in future. It just has a little pink glittery heart and it comes with everything inside, like the holders and the like little, I don't know what it's called. So this is what's inside. So it has like the little tweezer thing, so you can help put them in your eye and pick them up. I don't really know a lot about contact, but I do have really bad vision. I'm short-sighted. So yeah. I bought this little nude bag. I only have brown bags, so I thought I'd get a lighter colour. And it's really well made. It's, yeah, just a little shoulder bag. Comes with a strap and it is zipped, it's not blunt. So yeah, it's like it's really nice and I can't wait to wear it. It's gonna match with so many things that I own. So yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it, so that's good. It's better than buying stuff that you're not gonna wear. So that's everything that I bought. That's the haul, apart from the bag that's currently out the side. It didn't fit in the picture. But yeah, I just kind of bought things that I'd actually use. So there's kind of a colour theme going on, but yeah, I really didn't spend that much, so my favourite item is probably the washcloth and the little Dalmatian camera bag, which is really cute. They were really inexpensive, and I know I'm gonna use them, so. I forgot to film this light that I bought. I don't know why. I just got too excited and forgot to film it, but this was £3.50 and it has multiple different colours you can use, and it kind of casts like a circle of light in the room like it's sunset. So yeah, you got like red, blue. These are the colours you can use to change it with. So there's green, pink, purple, and I think there's like a clear like white one, but I've currently got the blue and orange one on. It looks really relaxing. Kind of looks like those James Turrell paintings, lights or artworks, but yeah, it's really pretty. This is the red version. This is the pink one. I really like this one. It's very relaxing. And this is the green version. They all look really nice.